Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another hot Sunday here, guys. I can't believe it. It is so hot. The whole week will be super hot, and there's no relief planned, I guess. It's 9 o'clock and it's already over 30 degrees, and Hue was super hot. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm getting too old for these heat waves. Oh, look at this. The pavement police was here already. Now I can walk here again. Beautiful. I saw more and more of those pavement units everywhere. And yeah, it's feeling very good. It's feeling very good walking around here on the pavement and enjoying the safety of a sidewalk and not walking on the street. Oh, look at this. Only thugs walk on the street. Look at him. This is an Australian gangster here. What are you? Italian mafia boss?
How are you? Good to see you.
Mate. Good to see you.
Yeah, what are you doing? You going down here?
Yeah, I'm going to a new coffee shop meeting Tommy.
Okay, well you have to see my Easter basket at the front of Valo there.
Easter basket.
Yeah.
Oh, happy Eastern, right?
Easter.
Oh yeah, true. All my Christians, especially him,
Jesus rose.
the strongest pastor in the streets. Yeah. All right,
man.
okay.
All right,
Have a
take
good
it easy.
Sunday, man. Yeah, happy Eastern, guys. I almost forgot. Today is Sunday. Oh. Here on Sunday morning you have to be careful if you don't want to meet any Germans here. Hello! There are many Germans here, but I'm gonna make a break, have a coffee, and then I'll continue. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna continue here. What do we have to do?
Subscribe to the channel.
And?
Unsubscribe. Down post.
Hey, don't do this!
Racist comments.
Oh my god. Oh
ya,
my
boss.
god. Okay guys, see ya. So I had to stop because at the other coffee shop we just walked to, it was very crowded, and I talked for 1 hour. And now we are moving on from this coffee shop where I actually had a coffee date with my lovely friends here in Da Nang. But we're gonna take a stroll somehow to the beach and trying not to steam to death. Okay, it's super hot, guys. It's super hot. Whew. So we are now in the Antung 29. We're gonna take a stroll, see what's going on. Oh, what? Where did you park? Oh, where did you park, Mr. Parker? Oh man. What's going on here? This is gonna be a very interesting place here, guys. Very interesting. Look at all the wood. The furniture is already here, guys. So I think it's gonna become, it's getting real very quick. I can see already here, I can see the bathroom. It's gonna be in a nice retro 70s green, and you can shower here and you can look down. Hopefully people cannot look up and see you showering. Flower pots. Look at these flower pots, madness here. Look at this. Look at how many flower pots there are right now. Stupid flower pots. But at least you can walk here. I bet these flower pots were differently standing here before. Maybe there's also, look at this, they're securing the flower pots. How funny is this? Keep the flower pot safe. Keep the flower pot safe. Yeah. No worry, no one wants to steal your stupid flower pots, dude. Look at this flower pot madness. This is illegal, and I will send a report to the police here. This is 100% a flower pot divider. I should not get ramped up too much about the flower pots, but I cannot hold myself. Every time I actually following the police Facebook account, and they're always putting out how they remove flower pots. And I'm so happy when I see this. They make like huge videos and photos, serious actually, full of flower pot removement actions. I'm so happy. Look at this. Those flower pots were probably also disturbing the peace here. Okay, and this here is also too low here, my friends. But yeah, I'm always hitting the thumbs up whenever I see a post of the police here in Da Nang. Hit the follow and like. I would like to contribute to everyone who's working against the flower pots. Look at this. Look at the huge flower pots. Oh, look at this. This was a change. Now I can walk here. It's a nice Sunday today. This is a brand new hotel actually, but I'm wondering if it's nice in there. It looked so nice before, and now they're hanging out some clothing there. A Misa apartment, lots of apartment buildings. This is all the apartment buildings also. They actually kicked out everyone and raising the rent for at least the double. I know that about this place here, Delicious. Whatever this building is, they actually went from 7.5 to 19, I think. And look at this is a brand new building. That looks very stylish though. Check it out. I think I walked it the last time and it was not done yet, but now it looks like it's done. It looks like super nice though. Look at it. Big balconies, lush and green. But yeah, maybe a few weeks more and then it's done. In between you I also have some houses. I'm not sure if this is an apartment building or not. And then you have a huge, oh look at this. This will be probably a business. Also very new. And this is gonna be something serious. Whenever they dig so deep, it's usually becoming a high rise, or not high rise, like a higher building. High rise, I think a high rise has to be way higher, right? But those streets are very nice and calm, guys. I still like it. I think this is a good area for people who want to stay here for 2-3 months in the winter. I think this is a good location for calm hotels. And it is not far to the beach, to be honest. You do, however, still have lots of construction here, which could be very annoying if you're just here for some weeks, months. Oh, look at this. They changed it completely. There was a XXL store here before, on top, and now they're completely renovating it into something. This is probably gonna be maybe a restaurant or a fancy coffee shop. We will find out. Guys, this is gonna be an interesting spot here. I just hope they're not gonna ruin. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. The wall of flower pots here. Police was not here yet. The small little flower pots. And now here, big flower pot divider. Look at this. They're securing the flower pots. Check this out. They're literally securing the flower pots here. I'm not sure what it is about that, but I gotta go to the barber shop and I really don't want to. I will see. Maybe there's someone. I need to find a new barber, guys. Hi, how you doing? Right next to the new Z Coffee, there's also something big developed. This could be very annoying because whenever they dig so deep, it's going to be a big project, guys. It's usually sometimes if they just have, they build something like this, like Z Coffee, it's very simple and quick. So the noise will not be that big of an issue. Also, the traffic junction, if that's the right word, will be absolutely insane here. Think about it. You have to have the beton guys, I forgot the word now. You have to have a lot of big trucks coming here if you build that high. And I think it will be something like that, right? Because this building is constructed very quick and nice, and it's perfect. Specialty coffee and kitchen. But the place next to it, it looks like it's gonna be something bigger. I'm not sure when I should do my walking tours. Maybe I have to really wake up earlier. I woke up early today. I almost picked up the camera and filmed it. But sooner it will be a new vlog from Da Nang on my main channel. So if you have not and you're here just for my walks, check out Social Semi. Next week there will be a new video coming up there. A brand new video. And it's gonna be big. I will see lots of projects of Tommy. Maybe I show also the build of my place, our place, how that goes, and it's gonna be a good video. I'm wondering what's going on with this R camp. It does not feel like it's open, but somehow it is open. I hope they're not gonna go out of business because they never really went into business. So I wish you good luck, guys. I don't know what's going on. Here in the street there are a lot of good coffee shops. Antung 29, we just walked the street, guys. We took a little bit of a detour. It's still a very interesting neighborhood here. And this is also super new here, that you can actually walk here. This was not possible. For 3 years, this was always blocked. Now it's not, now it's all good. Wow. Da Nang is changing every day. Let's see where it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And a new vlog is coming soon, next month, guys. Next week. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next vlog.